So you want to start and promote Shopee as an affiliate. Well, you can do this with a few extra steps, simple steps that you can take today. So in this video, I will show you how to join Shopee affiliate program. Now, as you can see, we are currently on Shopee website, but as you can see, we don't have right here at the end of the site, we don't have anything that indicates that Shopee has an affiliate program. Well, there is actually another catch that you need to know, and that is if you go to Google and if you just type in Shopee affiliate program, you'll be able to go here and click on the first link. Once you click on the first link, as you can see, this is Shopee affiliates or affiliates.shopee.ph. And what you can do here is you can click enter now. Now, as you can see, this is for this country and these regions. I don't think you can promote this if you're out of these countries, but you can correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below. Now, you can go here and enter, and basically what you'll need to do is, obviously you'll need to log in. You can log in with your QR code if you already have QR code, or you can log in with Facebook or Google. Now, once you log in, Shopee will need some additional information from you, but besides that, that's pretty much it. You'll be able to log in, you'll be able to register, and then you'll be able to start promoting Shopee as an affiliate. That's how easy it is to join Shopee affiliate program. Obviously, if you have any questions or maybe other comments around this, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching.